Hi everyone, my name is Leah. I'll present in chapter 11 through 15 of organization behavior. So I will start with chapter 11, decision making and creativity. This chapter discusses how decision making works within organization, including decision making process, common biases, and how creativity contributes to making innovative decision. It's focused on models like rational decision making and how managers can encourage creative problem solving. I have three important keys from this chapter. The first one is decision making skill is essential for effective management and problem solving in any organization. This is my case study from chapter 11, decision making and creativity. PT report of Indonesia decision making process have been influenced by its interaction with indigenous community in Papua. The company operation have historically faced challenges due to differing perspective on land and cultural significance. My two main takeaways: first, a cultural sensitivity in decision making. Effective decision making in multinational operation required an understanding of local culture and values to ensure community engagement and support. The second one, innovative conflict resolution, addressing conflict with indigenous communities has led PT Freeport to develop innovative approaches to community relation and corporate social responsibility. So for application, PT Freeport Indonesia forming cross-function teams from operation, safety, and environmental department can improve decision making for complex mining projects. Encouraging creative brainstorming will help solve challenges like sustainable mining and workforce safety innovation. My advice from this chapter 11, we should listen to different voices from local workers, community leaders, and experts. When we make decisions, it helps us find better, more creative solutions. Next, chapter 12, power, influence, and politics. This chapter explores power dynamic in organization, types of power such as legitimate, expert, and referent, and how power and influence are used to shape outcomes. It also covers office politics, including how individuals use influence and achieve personal or organization goals. The importance key from this chapter: power dynamic helps leaders understand how power influence behavior and decision making in any organization. The second, influence tactics help in demonstrating how to effectively influence and pursue others in the workplace. Third one, organization politics guides how to handle organization politics to drive positive outcomes and reduce conflict. This is my case study from chapter 12. The Papua Mitasahan scandal highlights the complex interplay of power and political in PT Freeport operation, where political figures attempted to leverage their position for personal gain during contract negotiation. My two main takeaways: the first one, navigating political landscape, particularly in politically sensitive environment, requires companies to be adept at managing relationship with government entities and understanding the implication of political action. The second one, ethical leadership. Maintaining ethical standard is crucial in environments where political influence can impact business operation, emphasizing the need for strong corporate governance. So for application, PT Freeport Indonesia can strengthen ethical influence by training supervisor to lead fairly and multicultural teams. Clear guidelines and trust-building initiative will reduce political conflict between different regional and corporate office. My advice from this chapter 12, let's make sure all our decisions are follow strong rules. This protect our company from political problems and build public trust. Next, we are going to talk about chapter 13, leadership effectiveness. This chapter reviews various leadership theories and approaches such as trait theories, behavior theories, and contingency models. It examines how leadership effectiveness is influenced by the context, the leader's style, and the follower's needs. Three important keys from this chapter: leadership style helps in adapting leadership approaches to different situations and employee needs. The second, contextual effectiveness help in understanding how to adapt leadership style to specific situation. The third one, improving leadership, offers practical strategy for becoming a more effective leader in any organization setting. My case study from chapter 13, leadership effectiveness. PT Freeport emergency preparedness and response team success in national competition reflects effective leadership in high-skilled environments. My two main takeaways, the first one is competency development. Investing in specialized training enhance teams' performance and leadership capabilities. The second one is recognition and motivation. Acknowledging team success fosters a culture of excellence and continuous improvement. So for the application, PT Freeport Indonesia should offer leadership training program to prepare local and expat managers for crisis management in mining operation. My advice from this chapter, we can train our leaders to be more inspiring, responsible, and people focused. Good leadership helps team work better and keeps everyone motivated. Next slide, I'm going to talk about chapter 14, organization culture, socialization, and mentoring. This chapter focuses on how organization culture shape behavior, values, and practice within a company. It's also discussed the socialization process where new employees learn and adapt to the new company culture and the roles of mentoring in help employees develop and succeed. The important keys from this chapter: culture influence. Culture directly impact employee engagement, satisfaction, and overall company performance. The second one, onboarding and socialization, critical for ensuring new employees integrate well into the company. The third one, mentoring, helps develop talent and maintain a supportive organization environment. Next, my case study from chapter 14, PT Freeport has implemented various programs aimed at fostering organization culture and mentoring, including initiatives to support local entrepreneurship and community development. My two main takeaways, the first one, community integration, developing programs that support local communities contribute to a positive organization culture and enhance social responsibility. The second one, mentoring programs. Establishing mentorship opportunities within the organization can aid employee development and knowledge transfer. So application to strengthen its corporate culture, PT Freeport Indonesia can enhance its onboarding programs with mentoring by experienced engineers and managers. Promoting culture understanding among Papua, Indonesia, and international employees will create a more unified workplace. My advice from this chapter, let's build a company culture that respects local tradition. We can also create mentoring program to help employees learn and grow and feel like part of the team. Next slides, I'm going to talk about chapter 15, organization design, effectiveness, and innovation. This chapter addresses different organization structures such as functional, divisional, matrix, and how this structure impact organizational effectiveness. It's also explore how innovation can be integrated into organizational design and foster creativity and adaptability. Three important key from this chapter. One, organization structure. Understanding different structure helps in designing efficient organizations. And then second, effectiveness and innovation. Demonstrate how the right design leads to better performance and support innovation. The last one, strategic alignment. Ensure that organization structure support its goal and adapt to market change. Next, my case study from chapter 15, PT Freeport of Indonesia implementation of mini game productivity improvement project showcases the company's commitment in innovation and operational excellence, earning recognition for its efforts. My two main takeaways: first one, innovation for efficiency. Investing in innovative technologies and process can lead to significant improvement in productivity and operational effectiveness. The second one, recognition for excellence. Achieving and recognition for innovation, understand that importance of continuous improvement and excellent organization design. Then for the application, PT Freeport Indonesia can improve its effectiveness by designing flexible project teams that can quickly respond to environment or technical challenging. Encouraging innovation in mine safety, technology, and energy efficiency will support long-term growth. My advice from this chapter, we should let local manager make quick decision and support innovation. This helps solve problems faster and stay in the industry.